This is to say thank you, Granny Sheila, for my favorite book. Where's the aeroplane? Yes, yes. Where's the fishy? Yes. What a good boy. Pineapple. It's this way. Where's a pineapple? Where's the pineapple? What a good boy. You learned the... Where's the tractor? Gunda, 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 gunda. No, that's a rooster. But good guess. Do you want some yum yum? Num num. There we go. Where's an artichoke? Yeah. A mushroom. Yes, what a good boy. Can you see the doggy? Where's the doggy? Where's a woof woof? What noise does a doggy make? Woof woof woof.
Oh yeah.
Yes, what a good boy. And what noise does a monkey make? Ooh, 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 ah, ah, ah. Ooh, 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 ah, ah, ah.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Ah, ah, ah. Good boy.
Ooh yeah.
Oh yeah. Say, I love you, Sheila. Love you. Yeah. Oh yeah.